Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Sorry. Welcome back to another episode of All Things Dope. And this is a continuation of the last episode, but I picked up another pair of bangers, hardcore bangers that I think that you guys are really going to enjoy. I've been wanting a pair of these for a while. I just haven't really found the right kind of colorway. And then they came out with the breads. This right here, and shout out to the box, man. Look at this box. This box is incredible. I really like a cool box design. Genuinely love these joints. These are the Kyrie 6s and the bread colorways, and I really like the Kyrie 6s because they have straps. If you've been following along the channel for a while, you know that I am a guy that likes his shoes with a little Marty McFly strap on it. That's just what I like. But shout out to this box, even the inside. Look, I like this, the change up from multicolor to black and white. That's just dope design to me, man. I really like that. That's always fun. But here they are. Bang, bang, bro. Look at that. The freshness on them. Just all around dope. Black and white shoe. Black, red, and white shoe. If you've known me for a while, you've seen me in these, obviously, Jordan 4s. This is very reminiscent of the Jordan 4. Straight all the way from the gray to the red and the black and the white. A little bit of white up in there. But these shoes are amazing, man. I really do like the way that they feel. And these, honestly, these have a very Yeezy 2 quality to them. And I'm really about that. Because that's been a dream shoe, right? For most people. And so, like, if you couldn't cop that back in the day, of course, replicas aplenty. Most people have got those if they've had to satisfy that thirst. But for me, man, I like the design of the shoe. I think it looks dope. This velour is a little different for me because I really don't like this suede kind of feeling, but it does look pretty dope on these. I definitely don't mind it. I'm always worried about it getting wet and messing up or anything like that, but these shoes look fire, man. I am worried that and I'll be honest, I have a bit of a wide foot, so sometimes when it gets a little narrow like this, it kind of leans over, but we'll see. We'll see how they work as far as comfort, but I really like all the details that they have on these shoes. Man, I think they look so sick. Also, these were on sale as well. These were normally $130 and I picked them up for $90. So that's an everyday cop, man. That's an everyday flex. These shoes are available, man. And I think that's why I like them so much. They didn't take me forever trying to hunt them down online, use the sneakers app, get denied, like run through StockX. Like, it didn't take me anything but just going straight to the source. Nike.com, regular Nike.com. And sometimes, you know what, if you wait a little bit longer, you may even pick these up at the outlets. You know, every once in a while they head out to the outlets and you're able to pick these shoes up for the cheap. But honestly, man, I think everyday flex, it's important. These will be everyday shoes. I won't feel guilty wearing these shoes. I won't feel like, oh, these are the grails, these are everything to me. And like, don't get me wrong, this is a 100% dope shoe. I will do a lookbook on these so you guys kind of have an idea how to rock it, you know, but like literally these are shoes that you can go down and pick up today or have them sent to you in the mail. Like, I genuinely like the shoe, even down to all the details. Kyrie used to be one of my favorite players back when he was playing with LeBron. It kind of breaks my heart that he doesn't play with them anymore because I think they had a really good thing going on, but thus is life, right? You're on to the next one. So let's get together and let's check out some of this B-roll, all right?